I'm so excited about my dinner, and I'm kind of hungry too. I was just gonna eat my food without showing a thing. Now I said I would come back and show the two types of potatoes. Sometimes the Jamaican potatoes you get can be purple when you boil them, but this one is not, but it's sweet nonetheless. Let me taste it and tell you if it's sweet. We're gonna compare. Sweet. Let's see which one's sweeter. And this is the English one, the orange one. That one I come like it boiled too much. Never mind. Normal, alright? Both have a bit of sweetness. Still not as sweet as the Jamaican original. But this is more like it. I'm gonna go get some of my cabbage and come right back. Where's this big old piece of thyme going from my spoon? Get off. Oh, this is looking delish. There it is. There it is. Let me take out my glasses. Scrutinize. There it is. There it is. And there's a bit of gravy in there. A lot of gravy enough. Let's see it. I'm gonna try it now. It's well seasoned. Taste test for a foodie. Yum, yum. Been out all week. Nah, love it.